Yeah, so the surgery with Gleb, that was awesome. So honestly, I've been watching that show since I was really young, and it was such a pleasure and an honor to get to work with Gleb. He's one of those people that really carries like a great energy with him. When he's in the room, everyone's smiling and having a great time. And I think he was just a real pleasure to work with. A very kind human being. And I really loved every part of his surgery. Gleb, as you know, is widely televised on national television and is under bright lights constantly while he's dancing. So for him, really everything kind of had to be very, very meticulous and detailed, as it is with every patient. He needed overall density for his look. He's going for a shorter look. So for that reason, we really strived for increasing density in a very even way, so that when he has a shaved head, that there's nothing that looks amiss. And it's a very meticulous process, but it was a pleasure. We also made sure to really improve his temporal points, so just increasing the density in that area with a very mild temporal point restoration. So Gleb's goal, just for background, when he came in, he said very sweetly and kindly that he wanted to look like a Wilson tennis ball, that he wanted just overall just evenness, because his new look was this very short haircut. So that's what we really focused on for him. We went over the plan with him, made sure he got to look at it every step of the way, and he was very happy and pleased with the results.